Big news for Apple Watch owners. The blood oxygen feature is finally making a comeback. But Apple's workaround might surprise you. The data won't be processed on the watch anymore. It's now offloaded to your iPhone. Today, I'll break down what this means and how to get it. If you own a Series 9, 10, or Ultra 2, you noticed the blood oxygen app was disabled due to a patent dispute. But Apple found a clever way to bring it back without violating patents. Before, your watch processed blood oxygen data on your wrist. Now, measurement starts on the watch, but calculation happens on your iPhone. Results show up in the respiratory section of the Health app. The feature is back, but your phone does the heavy lifting. Here's how to get it. Update your iPhone to iOS June 1st, 18. Update your watch to watchOS June 1st, 11, then restart both devices. Open the blood oxygen app on your watch, take a reading, and data appears in your iPhone's Health app. This feature is most useful for workouts, high-altitude trips, or general wellness tracking. You can filter results for sleep or high-elevation environments to spot patterns over time. But remember, this is not a medical tool. It's designed for fitness and wellness, not diagnosing health conditions. Apple's persistence shows how much they value health tracking. They've re-engineered the feature to bypass legal blocks. This shows Apple's commitment to health features like ECG, fall detection, and now blood oxygen tracking. Should you update? Absolutely. If you own a Series 9, 10, or Ultra 2, this is your green light to regain blood oxygen tracking. What do you think about Apple's workaround? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.